Good day, everyone, and welcome to Quick Trading Ideas. My name is Nenad, and as always, with you, this is the start of the week, and we will go with trading ideas that could be valid for today, tomorrow, and eventually Wednesday. So, first, have in mind that Forex trading carries a high level of risk that is not suitable for all investors. Please educate yourselves on the risk associated with Forex market before you start trading live. Everything you see and hear from us is our personal opinion only. And we start with Euro Dollar. First, so euro dollar, I expect upside continuation. Okay, so stops should be below 1.30 and the entry is between 10.55 and 10.45. So quickly, we will write down the trading idea. Based on rejection, entry is 1.1054 to 55, stop loss 1.1030, and the target is 1.1108. So this is the euro dollar. Okay. Then we move on to pound dollar. Pound dollar could be now sell on rallies because market is below the channel. So 30.60 sell, 31 stop, and 29.70 is the target. So here we go once more. If the market retraces there, we should see 1, 2, 3 to the downside, and eventually we might see a further drop in the euro dollar. So my idea is to sell now on rallies. So GBP dollar will be entry around 130.35 to 350 to 60. Stop loss is 131.00. Target is 1.2970. Okay, then we move on for the next one. Australian dollar. Australian dollar is let me quickly find it. I think Australian dollar will go down. And by my analysis, the Australian dollar is still in downtrend. So Australian dollar is sell around 67.10, 67.30 is stop loss, target 66.70. So 67.10 is again 67.10 is entry. So entry is 0.6710, stop loss 0.6730, TP 0.6670. Okay, gold. Gold is, I have a position now, and I think we might see a move up still. 1573 is entry, stop loss is 15. Stop loss is actually 1566, and target is probably 1598. And finally, we go with the Bitcoin dollar. But because I'm not into that Bitcoin dollar, I will actually do one more setup for the Australian dollar New Zealand based on my Camarilla MACD. So 55.65 is entry. So based on Camarilla MACD core. So Australian dollar, New Zealand pair. We go with the short trade. So short trade on the Australian dollar New Zealand one. Entry is 1.0355 to 65. Stop loss 1.0385 and target is 1.090. So these are quick trading ideas. For more, of course, sign up for ECS Live on our website, where we conduct trading each day, have a lot of success, and of course, always check myepixbook.com. So quickly, these are trading ideas for this few days: euro dollar, GBP dollar, Australian dollar, gold, and the Australian dollar New Zealand. And of course, for more trading areas and of course full signals that we provide, go to elitecurrency.com We have services here, Forex and CFD. Just click here and sign up for ECS Live or purchase one of our trading methods. See you soon, guys. Enjoy. And as always, trade safe. See you soon. Cheers.